A short Ryobi video this week. It's about this, the Ryobi Ergo 4-volt screwdriver set. So one thing I was looking for was something that was kind of handy to have around the house, and I saw this, the 4-volt Ergo screwdriver set from Ryobi. It's around £25 I think I paid for it, and it's really handy. I've been using it for a little while now, so I thought I'd just show you kind of what's in the pack, and I think it's really handy to have around the house. I keep this one in the cave, just handy if you want to kind of adjust some shelves or just any little bits and bobs you might have to do around the cave or around the house. So I'll show you what it's like inside, quick demo of kind of how it works, and I call it a wrap. Okay, so this is it. Comes in this nice little pouch, and it's got obviously the screwdriver. Has 10 bits in there. It's 4 volts, USB power, so it's all kind of nicely chargeable and easy to use. Plug into your computer or what have you. It comes with a plug as well, so you can charge if you don't really have any USB charging capabilities. But this is it. Really lightweight. So there's the USB charging lead, 3-pin USB charging plug, and then in here, can't get that out very easily with that with one hand, but basically 10 bits. So you have about 5 different Phillips heads. Is it 5, 2, 4, no 6 Phillips heads, a couple of kind of star Torx ones, 1 hex and 1 flathead. Little manual for kind of how it works, but it's pretty much super simple. It's really lightweight. On the bottom here is the micro USB slot where it charges up, and this light in here lights up green, and basically it just does what it says on the tin. So we have a button here. When it's pressed in, we'll obviously screw clockwise, push it in the other way, and it will screw anti-clockwise. And yeah, look, if you can see, pretty straightforward. There's a little light on the end, which is really helpful, especially when you're working in kind of cupboards and you're trying to adjust a drawer or something, which I was using it for the other day. You can see it's just a single speed. But yeah, I really like it. I think it's handy. I love the fact it comes in this little box, and I think it's pretty well priced. So, you know, use it if you're working on your skateboard, a little bit of project work, or, you know, like I said, just in shelves and cupboards in the kitchen. It's kind of perfect. The Ryobi Ergo 4-volt screwdriver. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.